Request
Students, please be there on the dais.
Students, दौड़ के आ जाओ फटाफट.
Great efforts, guys. Irrespective of whether you have won the competition or not, you are a winner. You are an environment champion, and hence we salute you, and we really respect your initiatives. Okay, I would request Shri S.M. Gupta, our honorable guest of honor, our respected guest of honor, to share a few words, ताकि वो थोड़ा सा share करें उनका कैसा लगा, उनका experience कैसा रहा.
Ladies and gentlemen, नमस्ते. जब मेरे को प्रज्ञा जी ने बुलाया यहाँ पर और जब सारी बातें बताई मेरे को, तो I was really very thrilled to come and see. And अभी आने के बाद मुझे इतना अच्छा लग रहा है, कितनी नई चीजें मुझे जानने के लिए मिल रही हैं, जो कि मैं नहीं जानता था. और ये बच्चे जितना जल्दी आंसर दे रहे थे, सरप्राइजिंग. इतने छोटे छोटे बच्चे, इतना एनवायरनमेंट के ऊपर इतना कॉन्शियसनेस आ गया. ये एक्चुअल में यही जो एफर्ट का जो पर्पज है वो यही है कि ग्रीन इंडिया को और ज़्यादा बढ़ावा देने का इन बच्चों के थ्रू से, क्योंकि ये बच्चे ही आगे भारत का नेक्स्ट भविष्य यही है. यही लोग भविष्य बनाएंगे, ये लोग देश को ग्रीनर और ग्रीनर बनाएंगे. सो ये बहुत अच्छा एफर्ट है, बहुत अच्छा एफर्ट है मंत्राज फाउंडेशन का और प्रज्ञा जी का और इनके पिताजी और विभोर जी और बाकी जितने भी टीम है, इनकी पूरी टीम बहुत एक्टिव है. हम तो बहुत दिनों से देख रहे हैं, हर काम में लोग बहुत जबरदस्त काम करते हैं. द टीम इज वेरी गुड. सो मेरी बहुत शुभकामनाएं इनको.
Sir, I would request you to please hand over the prizes to the winners. And our teacher, Megha ji, you have also won because you are also representing the entire school. Congratulations, friends. Big round of applause for them. Being a finalist itself in an all Calcutta level quiz competition is definitely worth a lot of praise. I would request you to pose for a photograph once. Please. Hi. Thank you so much, S.M. Gupta sir. Thank you, the team here, and thank you, everyone. I would now request, we have got many esteemed guests here, very senior guests of honor. The next, I would of course request Shri Arora, who is the Regional Director of National Skill Development from the Government of India in this region. We also have very senior representatives, Director from IEM, Department of Sustainability, and others, and we would definitely be inviting them to be there on the stage as well. Sir, please be there. I would request Shri Mayapati Khemka, who is the chairman, to please honor our guest, S.M. Gupta. I would now request our chairman, sir, to kindly honor our esteemed guest, Shri Arora, who has recently relocated from Delhi to this region, and he is spearheading and a torchbearer of skill development in this entire region. Big round of applause. If you are able to visit his institute at any point of time, you will be amazed to see the kind of work they are doing. I would request sir to share a few words for us.
Very good evening to all who are present in this hall. Really, I am astonished to see all the achievements of these young children, school children, I think studying in 9th or 10th, if I am right. they were representing the different schools of Kolkata. So I am very happy, and really I was surprised to know the insights of these young children. They have really exhibited their potential to their highest level. It shows the talents and the knowledge, the education they have gained over these years from their prestigious schools. So lot of congratulations. It goes to the school administration, principals and the teachers. So I am also from the teaching fraternity, I tell you. So I was recalling my days of school. I had also studied in a boarding school, military school. So I used to represent in these quiz competitions. So my sincere congratulations. These students deserve, number one. So my best wishes. You have shown your talent, your energy, you are full of energy. All the students who have participated in this event, they deserve big applause and congratulations. My best wishes, you will be achieving high in your future to come. And I am at the most thankful and grateful to the Mantra Foundation, especially Madam Pragya and Tandon sir. मैं एक इवेंट में अभी पीछे मिला था IEM के उसमें बंगाल बंगाल समिट में, वहाँ पे क्या नाम है उन मैम का, हाँ संगमित्रा मैडम. तो I was earlier in AICT and also I was regional officer at Central Region भोपाल. तो उस समय मैं AICT में था, इस इंस्टीट्यूशन IEM का कोई काम था. तो they came to me in AICT headquarter न्यू दिल्ली. उसके बाद कोई और वर्क के लिए फिर for 2 events I represented here from my headquarter. तो फिर मेरे को अभी luckily I got a chance to be posted at Kolkata. तो वहाँ पे मैडम प्रज्ञा से मुलाकात हुई थी. It was on the 27th of July. तो my sincere gratitude, I am thankful to. और अभी 2 दिन पहले इनका ये पोस्ट आया था, उसमें इस इवेंट का लिखा था. तो टुडे आई वाज फ्री, तो मेरे को अपने आप से ही अच्छा लगा कि आई शुड गो, क्योंकि मैं भी इसी फ्रेटर्निटी से हूँ.
सर अब स्कूल्स को बुलाते हैं, आपके हाथ से अवार्ड दिलवाएंगे, आपसे अभी आपसे काम करवाएंगे सर, सबको अवार्ड दिलवाने का. आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट,
थैंकफुल एंड ग्रेटफुल टू दिस मंत्रा फाउंडेशन, ऑल द ऑफिस बेयर्स, स्पेशली मैडम प्रज्ञा, टंडन सर, कि इन्होंने बहुत बड़ा एक ये अचीवमेंट किया है, ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म खड़ा किया है कि जो कि हमारे बच्चों को, और जो आज का टॉपिक था एनवायरनमेंट के ऊपर क्विज था, दे हैड ग्रेट नॉलेज. इन बच्चों ने बहुत क्विक आंसरिंग की. इट वाज रियली अचीवमेंट ऑन देयर पार्ट.
थैंक यू सो मच.
और स्पेशली द कोऑर्डिनेटर ऑफ दिस क्विज सर, स्पेशली यू डिजर्व अप्लॉज सर. आपने बहुत क्वेश्चंस अच्छे प्रिपेयर किए थे और बहुत ही एक फ्लो में इवेंट चला. माई कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस टू द एंटायर टीम. आई एम थैंकफुल टू ऑल. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for sharing your valuable insights. I would now request Professor Shambhu Pranav, a director from IEM, very, very senior official, a very renowned educationist, to join us there on the dais. We also request and acknowledge the presence and request Sri Indranil, who is the Vice President of Calcutta Management Association. Very, very senior position and coveted position. We really welcome, sir, Sri Indranil Banerjee, to be there on the stage. Shri Subroto Hajra, very senior official from State Bank of India, without whom this entire program would not have been successful at all. And we are really honored to have State Bank of India as our partners, and Shri Subroto Hajra.
I would request now Abhinav Bharati High School students to please come on the dais fast. And next would be a Newtown School Action Area. First, Abhinav Bharti, please come. Nice, vibrant, very nice. हम लोग फिर करेंगे क्विज यार, डिसअपॉइंटेड नहीं होना. मैम प्लीज कम. मेडल्स. अच्छा, न्यू टाउन नॉट नाउ. फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड इन द लास्ट. नॉट न्यू टाउन. सर क्या? सर शुभ्रतो सर कहाँ गए? सर आइए.
I would request Shubhrato sir from State Bank of India, very senior official from SBI, to hand over the honors and the awards to our finalists, Abhinav Bharti. A big round of applause for them.
सर अपनी सर्टिफिकेट दें शोभा को.
You are champions of environment, irrespective of whether you have won or not. Congratulations. And equally, congratulate the teacher who has really supported and encouraged them. Shri Indranil Banerjee, CMA Vice President, is now awarding certificates of honor and excellence to all these students and gift hampers.
Next meeting.
Thank you so much, sir.
We can all come for a click. This is for your school pic. आइए सर, आप लोग भी आ जाइए.
Please, Professor Shambhu, sir, please be there.
थोड़ा इधर शिफ्ट हो जाओ.
Please, sir, please. Sir, please. Of course, sir is taller, so sir has been kind enough to stand here.